based on the type and specifications of the enclosure. Choose proper lockbox latch and accessories. Select screws or rivets as needed to install the latch onto the enclosure. L-shaped latch. Use an L-shaped latch for double doors. Use a Z-shaped latch for single door enclosures. Choose a slightly upper position on the enclosure door. Mark the latch holes on the enclosure door and decide. Drill a total of 4 holes. Split adjacent holes 16 mm apart. Align the latch with the door. Secure with screws or rivets. Hang the smart lock into the latch hole. Ensure the lock body is securely installed and fits well with the latch. Lockbox installation. Drill 3 holes on the door frame according to the actual installation of the latch. Align the lockbox with the holes and secure with screws or rivets. Installation completed. Locking and unlocking operation. Open the Smart Lock Control app and lean the phone against the lock. NFC detected. Tap the unlock button to open the lock. Press the lock bar to close.